Welcome to our advanced plastic sleeve box factory, where innovation and quality come together to produce exceptional products. First, let's take a look at our honeycomb sheet production. Our factory uses advanced technology and equipment to produce high-quality honeycomb sheets, which are an essential component of our plastic sleeve box. Our sheets are lightweight, yet incredibly strong, making them the ideal choice for heavy-duty applications. Moving on to our double-layer blister pallet and lid production. Our team of skilled technicians ensures that each pallet and lid is of the highest quality. Our double-layer blister process provides superior protection and stability for your products, while our advanced production process guarantees consistent quality and reliability. At our plastic sleeve box factory, we're committed to providing our customers with the best possible products and services.